In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play against the trainer here in Clash Royale after the latest update. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. Now first things first, once you get loaded into Clash Royale, you're going to want to tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of your screen. From here, there's going to be a training camp option. Simply go ahead and select it and then go ahead and tap OK. What this is going to do is immediately load you in against a trainer. From here, it essentially acts as a real match and gives you the opportunity to practice some of your skills here in Clash Royale and improve them even further. Now overall, the AI in this training mode is pretty smart, so it really does act like playing a real game. But the best part is, in my opinion, that you can leave anytime by simply clicking this X and then hitting OK. Now these matches are perfect for casual practice or testing new decks, which is what I recommend. But if you do have any questions and it's still not popping up for you, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. With that being said, super easy, super chill. Hope this helped overall. Make sure to like and subscribe for even more Clash Royale tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.